Will you throw it at Daddy?
Daddy was another one.
Daddy, make a snowball for him.
I'm making a snowball so you can throw it at me. I'll make you a snowball and you can throw it at Mommy.
No. Hey, I thought we were throwing him at Daddy now.
Mommy's defenseless. It's funny.
I have gloves in my pocket. It's on.
Yeah, you still can't throw.
I can throw. For a girl.
Hey, Mommy, you throw like a girl.
No, Mommy does.
Mommy throws like a girl.
I throw out the door.
What do you throw like?
A guy.
A guy? Woo! Oh yeah, I'm picking this one up. Here we go. Here we go, Daddy.
I want money.
Oh, bullseye. What is Daddy doing? Should Daddy shovel the front walk?
I can't. I try and shovel this. There's nothing to shovel. It's just wet.
Yeah. Should we go look at the tractor? Let's go look at Pete and the tractor. Come on. Hey, excuse me. Don't touch that. Let's go look at Pete. Come on.